there guys, it's me TrainFan56 here, and I want to show you something. Now for all the elevator fans, now look what I've got. It's this. It's a Dewhurst. I don't know what type of fixture this is because I've never seen this fixture. It's probably some type of, I don't know what this comes from, but I've got two more like this. The other two say B on them though. So yeah. Now if you put a flashlight through this, I'll just use my mom's phone here. Sure. So don't show some personal information. Anyway, you can make this button. You can make buttons light up using your flashlight. And my dog's very interested in the and it lights up red, even though it's a white flashlight I'm using. See that? I demonstrated a trick like that back in 2011 with my one that says B. I might put a link in the video for you. I might put a link down in the description for you, so you can go and check it out. Anyway, this button here, it's a Dewhurst. I know that for a fact. It says here this may reveal some information about the button. Come on, iPad, focus, please. Sometime today. Come on. Okay, so this button was made in 1996. So, yeah. And also in there you can see the micro switches. Come on, focus please. I'll demonstrate the micro switches to you. You can see them working. Whenever this iPad decides to focus. Sometime today, please. Hello, focus. God, sometime today, focus. Okay, there we go. You can see the mechanism in there. You can see that lever pushing the spring. I don't know much about elevator parts, but I know this was my first ever elevator part, so it's pretty cool. It's the number 4. This button is pretty old, so yeah, 1996. That's older than, that's 2 years older than my brother. I do like this button. These are the contacts, I believe these are. Use that bit, but you can put some. I think about putting a light in this in the future. I just hope one day I'll get my own elevator pen. Oh, and some American elevator parts. So this is cool. It does kind of sound a bit like the written book, but it isn't. It's a Dewhurst button. What fixture is this, guys? I don't know, because I'm the only YouTuber that's got one like this. So yeah. Again, it's very cool. I really love this button. That's where, I guess that's where you could screw. That's where it's screwed into the back of the COP. Again, this is a pretty cool fixture. This one I got in a pot. Got in I got in a box with all different types of elevator parts. And